Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will discuss about the conditional statements in Python. Have you ever thought how your phone decides to show low battery or not? Or how a game decides you will win or you will lose? Today I will show you how Python makes decisions using if and if else statement. Before that, please subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. Let's get started. Conditional statements. There are four types of conditional statements: if statement, if else statement, if else statement, nested if statements. In this video, we will only discuss about if statement and if else statements. Next, what is a conditional statement? Conditional statement helps Python to make the decisions. Conditional statements are used in Python to make the decisions only. If this condition is true, do this, otherwise do something else. Let's take an real life example. If it is raining, take an umbrella. Else, don't take an umbrella. This is the real life example we will see in the real time. Next, if statement. The if statement checks a condition. It checks the condition whether it is true. It only gives one condition. It will print if the condition is true. Then it does not print anything. Let's see the syntax: if condition and colon. In conditional statements, this colon is very important. Don't forget, write the colon at the last. And statement. This is the syntax of the if statement. If statement, step by step process. Python checks the condition. If the condition is true, the code inside if runs. If false, Python skips it. Here we have to observe that the condition is true, then only the if statement will run. If the condition false, then it does not print anything in the output. It is an example of if statement. X equals to 10. If x is greater than 5, it prints x is greater than 5. Let's see this example in Python ideal. X is equals to 9, we will take. If x is greater than 6, print x is greater than 6. Tell me the pause this video and tell me the output. Pause this video here and think one second and give the answer in comment section. Here, sorry, here we forgot that. Here I written print spelling mistake. That's why it show error. Let's see. X is greater than 6. Here x is greater than 6. This statement is correct. That's why it print here. This is about the if statement. Next we will see if else statement. In if else statement, Python checks if condition. If the condition is true, if block runs. If the condition is true, the if block runs. If condition is false, else block will runs. Here if condition, this is the syntax of the if else statement. If condition colon and statement, else condition, else colon and statement. This is the syntax. If the code is true, it will print in the if block. If the code is false, it will print in the else block. Let's see the example. N is equals to 10. If n is greater than 5, print greater than 5. Else print less than or equals to 5. How it works means condition n is greater than 5 is checked. First it will check the condition. If true, it will runs in the if block. If it is false, it will runs in the else block. Let's see in the Python ideal with the example. X is equals to 9. If x is greater than 9, if x is greater than let's take 8. print x is greater than 8. Else we have to write another condition else statement. Print if the condition is false, then it will print the else statement. X is less than 8. If the condition is false, it will runs the else statement. Let's run this module. Here we see x is greater than 8. Here 9 is greater than 8. So the condition is true. So if block will runs. If we take here 7, it will give false statements. Run this module. Let's x is less than 8. We will see the example. If the condition is true, it will print in the else block. If the condition is false, it will print in the else block. This is about the if else condition. Let's go to the example. Here run this example in your Python IDLE and see how the output is. N is equals to int of input. Here we have to take any type of the input integer number. If n is divided by 2 equals to 2 equals to 0. If this condition is true, print even numbers. If the condition is false, then it will print the odd numbers. This is the task for you to run this program in the Python IDLE and see how the output is. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more Python videos. Have a nice